All right, welcome back to another episode of Planning Period with me, Thomas Hummel, founder of Eduaide.AI. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to create a lab and materials list. So once I launch, I'm here in the generator. I'm going to come over here to group activities, and we have the lab plus materials list right here. And you'll notice that it's going to generate an inquiry based lab. So students are going to have to kind of figure out some things on their own and put together some pieces from there. So I do these all the time in my class, and specifically with my eighth graders, I'm going to do it on electromagnetic motors. And some of the materials that I have is I have D cell batteries, paper clips, copper wire, and that should be good. We'll see what this thing gives us. So I hit generate. Okay, and up comes an inquiry-based lab. Okay, in this lab, students will explore principles of electromagnetism by constructing a simple electromagnetic motor, which is exactly what I want. Okay, some simple items here that I did not go, but it definitely named the ones that I do have, which is great. Okay, and obviously scissors and tape and stuff I do have as well. But this will generate everything that the students need to do on how to prepare themselves for that lab. So pretty cool step-by-step instructions. You can get this right to the students. You can collect data, different aspects. And then obviously, whatever you don't need as a teacher, just get rid of it. So that's the benefit of Eduade, is that we can generate these things super quick, but take what you need and don't and discard everything that you don't. So I will be doing electromagnetic motors tomorrow with my students, and we'll see how it goes. All right. Thanks. Have a good one.